Today we're checking out the Funplex that's being built downtown Myrtle Beach. It's on the corner of 15th Avenue South, 15th Avenue North, sorry, and Ocean Boulevard. It's said to have 7 attractions. The main one being the roller coaster that goes around all of it. Everything is inside of there. We're just gonna kind of walk around and see progress. Now, last time I was here in January, almost none of this was here at that point, so it's coming along pretty quick. I think the anticipated completion and opening date is around the first week of May. But at the rate they're going, I would say that shouldn't be much of a challenge, really. We're gonna get a closer look. Quite windy today, so I apologize for the wind noise. Around 45 degrees, 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. The guys working here as I speak. Also across from the Yachtsman. Interesting enough, there's no fencing right here covering this up. Hope it will be at night. It's a huge liability concern. So if you look down here over the Pancake House, you can see the other rides that have been there. The Drop Tower, Slingshot, and the other ride, I'm not sure the name of it. But to me, these rides, except for the roller coaster, look like smaller versions of what some of those are. It kind of makes you wonder how well this will do right here. What we're going to do now is try and get a little better view from higher up. So if you go over here to the Boulevard Plaza, you can take the stairs or an elevator and go up to this 3rd floor and have a little better look. So we're going to do that now. Kind of taking a quick glance of the beach side of where I just crossed the street to go upstairs. See a few walking, not many. It is cold and windy. We're gonna head upstairs now. All right, so up here on the 3rd floor now, we're gonna see how much better of a view we can get. A little better. This will be like the ticket center, just kind of here in the center. There may be some other attraction in there, but it's probably where you'll get your ride tickets. It's not very big, but I guess it is something new to the area, and it's really just on one block. That's gonna do it for us today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. It'll keep you in the loop for all future videos. Thanks for watching.